Oh, ladies and gentlemen, do we have a fun one for you today? We got some stuff in the mail, which is always fun, but especially fun because this one's for the B9. Carbon Imports, thank you for your purchase. Sweet! All right, nothing really too surprising about this video, so I guess we'll just get into it. This is the V2 spoiler from Carbon Imports. It's going on Evan's S5. He's out of town, so I told him I'm just gonna install it for him. He is excited, as am I, to see the final result. So, let's rip it. All right, here we are. So the one I have on my car is a bit different styling-wise. This one, let's take a look. It's like Christmas morning, sitting under the Christmas tree, just unboxing presents. Ugh. Similar vibe right now. Whoa, all right. There she is. That is aggressive, holy cow. Let's mock it up on the car and see how it's gonna look. Carson's cleaning the shop right now, so we gotta pull it in anyways. I'm gonna wipe this down and actually ceramic coat it, because that's essential on all brand new carbon fiber. If you guys don't know, I ceramic coated my entire diffuser and my lip, and actually my intake, because I'm a psychopath. But all new carbon fiber, it's essential to get it ceramic coated. So the clear coat doesn't fade, UV protection, everything is really just necessary to do that. So I'm gonna do that right now with Ceramic Pro 9H. Gonna get this thing wiped off, coated, then installed. This thing looks crazy. I'm excited to see what it looks like on the car. So very, very aggressive. This is the stock lip that came on it. We wrapped this black before the rally, so obviously now we have to take this off. Front parking aid. Well, all right. Alrighty, let's get this thing off. This is 10-pound test fishing line. And this is what we're gonna use to get the old spoiler off. I have no idea if there is adhesive or what underneath, but this is how you do this if you've never done it. Just go slow. You shouldn't need to use heat. Well, 10-pound test. I guess I am stronger than a fish. Stuff like this, installs like these, it is best to take your time and do it right the first time. When you're messing with adhesives, anything spoiler-wise, you want done right the first time so you don't have to redo it. Go buy more tape, do a hack job the first time, and it's worth it to do it right, essentially. So take your time with all the steps. If your B9 has this little spoiler on it, take your time with this step, the removal process, the prep process, it's all important. All right. Cool. So this can go in the trash. And then we have this, which I believe is pretty fresh, so we can peel most of it. If it's brittle and not peelable, if it's old, you can use this drill attachment. It's a rubber wheel, and you can get adhesive off like this without burning through your clear coat. So in Evan's case here, we can just peel off most of this without any problem. And then we'll use some solvent to get the rest of this off, or like an isopropyl alcohol, it also works. Also, very important step in the process is prepping your surface. You want everything to be clean before you install. Again, the prep is the most important part with any job, really, but especially adhesive and spoiler stuff. Excellent. Now, once the surface is prepped and clean, let's start to line up or mock up what this is gonna look like. Moment of truth. Let's see what this looks like. Right about yay? What do you guys think? Okay. All right. Oh, I actually really like that on the satin gray. Let's take a look from behind. Ooh, that's nice. That's really nice. Cool, so this is our first idea of what this is gonna look like. And I'm liking it. This works easy if you have two people. That way you can kind of feel where this corner edge is to make sure it's laying where you want it to. As well as on the side. Spacing, obviously, like that, it's not even at all, it's way off. So if I was doing this myself, you can use tape to kind of line it up. Luckily, I have Carson here, who's gonna help me. We're gonna lay this on top of the PPF. It has adhesive on it. One really nice thing from Carbon Imports is that they include the adhesive with their lip spoilers. So if for whatever reason down the line, Evan wants to take the PPF off, remove it, replace it, do something else as far as like the color of the car, we can just remove the adhesive, remove the wing, and then reapply wherever we want to. For the sake of getting it on today, we're just gonna apply it over this PPF. Carson, you ready? So we're gonna lay it down ever so carefully.
Yeah, looks good enough to me. Alright, are you on the edge?
I'm on the edge, on both sides. Who is calling me?
M22 Detailing, this is Kevin.
Yep, see you soon. Bye.
Handling business.
All right, this is on officially. And that's how it looks. Whoa, whoa, Nelly.
Oh.
Thank you, sir. Oh, can I get a Dr. Pepper?
Thought you didn't need a drink.
The deluxe comes with a drink. Dr. Pepper, please. This looks awesome. Let's pull it outside. Show you what it really looks like. Get some cool clips. I'm happy with it for sure. It's so shiny right now, you can see the reflection of the letters. Nice. Cool, we'll get this pulled out right now and show you guys what it looks like outside. All right, there she is. Just what this car needed as far as a little bit of aggressiveness towards the rear end here. You can get this with the link in the description. It is not an affiliate link, doesn't help me at all, but if you guys want similar style to your S5, that's where to find it.